printing PETG on an any cubic Kobra Max. First time attempting to print PETG, which I actually ordered by mistake, and so far I had only printed PLA, and because I was left with no other choice, because I ordered PETG by mistake, I decided to give it a go, and I did some adjustments according to some indications I heard on YouTube from various well-known 3D printing enthusiasts. And first I started printing with 235 degrees Celsius, and I noticed that it was oozing out. So I started lowering the temperature gradually, and I was able to stop the oozing, and I went all the way down from 235 degrees Celsius to 210 degrees Celsius, and so far so good.